Hi, this is Amber with WaveRez, and today we're going to go over the reminder email. Now we've covered confirmation and cancellation in previous videos, but we're going to cover reminder in this one. So first thing, you would go to emails over on this left-hand menu. It's going to take you to confirmation by default, so you're just going to want to go ahead and click on reminder. Now we have a few different settings in here. We have the modules like we did in the other videos, but we also have days and mode. So days is how many days out from the reservation do you want the reminder email to be sent. This is currently set at 1 day. It can go all the way up to 7. For mode, we can turn it off here, and we can also adjust the subject line. So for here we have rich text. It's just basic information saying your booking is approaching, and you can change this to fit your needs. And buttons is just the view order voucher button, to be able to take them to a link to view their voucher in that reminder, which is pretty handy and set by default. You can remove it though if you would like, and there are other options, of course, that we've covered in previous videos that you can add to reminder if you would like. So I've already sent myself a test email, but it's the same way with the other two email types. You would just send the test email once you're on the reminder tab, and it's going to send you a test email to your email on file with your account. Now this is what these current settings over here look like in a reminder email. We have the logo, the order number, the customer name, and just that basic information that was contained in the text there, as well as a view order voucher button. And that is pretty much reminders email. They're the same a lot as the previous two email setups, except we have a couple more settings here.